Want to keep your wheels looking sharp and spotless? The best cleaner for chrome wheels brings back that mirror-like shine while removing brake dust, grime, and road salt effortlessly. Let's explore the top products for sparkling chrome finishes. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Turtle Wax Cleaner for Chrome Wheels. Turtle Wax Cleaner for Chrome Wheels is a powerful solution designed to tackle some of the toughest contaminants your vehicle's wheels face on the road. Its formula is especially effective at removing embedded iron particles, stubborn brake dust, and various road contaminants that ordinary car washes simply can't eliminate. One of the standout features of this cleaner is its color-changing technology. It transitions from clear to purple upon contact with iron contaminants, making it visibly effective during application. It's a pH-neutral and acid-free cleaner, making it safe for use on multiple surfaces including exterior paint, clear coats, polished metals, glass, and chrome. This versatility allows it to be used not just on cars, but also on SUVs, motorcycles, RVs, and even marine vehicles. A unique aspect of Turtle Wax's formula is its built-in scent neutralizer, which helps minimize the often harsh chemical smell associated with iron removers. Application is easy. Just spray it onto a cool, dry surface, wait 2 to 4 minutes, and rinse thoroughly. For heavily soiled wheels, gentle agitation may be required. Overall, this product offers deep cleaning action with enhanced safety and usability, making it a reliable choice for auto enthusiasts and casual users alike. If you're seeking a wheel cleaner that delivers noticeable results without damaging finishes, Turtle Wax's offering stands out as both powerful and safe. Its long-lasting effects make it a favorite among detailers. Works great for regular maintenance or deep seasonal cleanups. Number 2. CAR Guys Cleaner for Chrome Wheels. CAR Guys Cleaner for Chrome Wheels is a versatile and easy-to-use solution that effectively removes brake dust, road grime, and old tire dressing from your wheels and tires. This advanced pH-neutral formula is safe to use on a wide variety of finishes including alloy, chrome, aluminum, and even delicate surfaces like calipers and rotors. One of the biggest strengths of this product is its ready-to-use, highly concentrated gel that clings to wheels and reduces runoff, ensuring maximum cleaning power per spray. Whether you're detailing your vehicle or just performing regular maintenance, CAR Guys Cleaner makes the process quick and hassle-free. The product can also be diluted with water to extend usage without compromising performance. What sets CAR Guys apart is their commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. Every product is made using advanced scientific formulations and produced in the USA, giving you added confidence in its reliability. The cleaner is engineered to be gentle on wheels while still breaking down the toughest grime, making it suitable for both casual users and detailing professionals. The brand also emphasizes strong customer support, so if you're not satisfied, their team is ready to make things right. Overall, CAR Guys Wheel Cleaner offers a practical blend of efficiency, safety, and quality craftsmanship, making it a strong contender for anyone looking to keep their wheels looking spotless and well-maintained. Resists streaking and leaves a glossy finish. Ideal for car shows, daily drivers, and anyone who values a polished look. Number 3. Adams Polishes Cleaner for Chrome Wheels. Adams Polishes Cleaner for Chrome Wheels is specially formulated to target and eliminate stubborn brake dust, tire browning, and deep-set road grime, all while being safe for a wide variety of wheel finishes. From chrome and alloy to powder-coated and painted surfaces, this product ensures that you get a deep clean without risking damage to your vehicle's wheels. The powerful alkaline concentrated formula produces rich suds that dissolve silicones, waxes, polymers, and any old dressings. This makes it ideal for both restoration and routine maintenance. If your tires have turned brown and lost their luster, Adams Wheel and Tire Cleaner can help restore them to a like-new appearance. Another key benefit is its ability to prepare wheels and tires for dressings by creating a clean surface that allows the product to bond better and last longer. Application is straightforward. Simply spray the product, allow it to sit, and rinse it off. For very dirty wheels, a bit of scrubbing may be needed. The cleaner is also backed by Adams' 110% satisfaction guarantee, offering peace of mind and showcasing the company's confidence in their formula. Made in the USA with premium ingredients, it appeals to both detailing professionals and DIY car enthusiasts. In short, this cleaner delivers top-notch results, is safe on most surfaces, and stands behind its promises, making it a must-have in any auto care arsenal. Loved for its foaming action and deep penetration. Perfect for detailing enthusiasts aiming for a professional-grade finish every time. Number 4. Adams Polish's 16-ounce cleaner for chrome wheels. Adams Polish's 16-ounce cleaner for chrome wheels is a compact powerhouse designed to clean your wheels quickly and safely. This acid-free and pH-neutral formula breaks down tough brake dust and metallic contaminants while protecting your wheel's finish. Unlike harsh cleaners that may damage finishes, this cleaner is compatible with clear-coated, powder-coated, chrome, alloy, and painted wheels. The formula reacts visibly with iron particles, bleeding purple as it dissolves grime and showing that it's working in real time. It's ideal for users who want effective results without long scrubbing sessions. Just spray, let sit for a few minutes, and rinse off. While it's safe on most finishes, Adams warns that it may not be suitable for raw aluminum or aftermarket bare metals, so caution or testing is advised. What makes this version stand out is its simplicity. Spray and agitate if needed, then rinse for clean, revived wheels. The 16-ounce size is perfect for casual users or those looking to try before committing to larger bottles. Like all Adams products, this cleaner is made in the USA and backed by a 110% satisfaction guarantee. That commitment to quality, combined with excellent performance, makes it a reliable option whether you're a weekend car washer or a detailing enthusiast. Compact size fits perfectly in any car care kit. Delivers quick results with minimal effort, saving you time and hassle. Number 5. Carfidant Cleaner for Chrome Wheels. Carfidant Cleaner for Chrome Wheels is a gel-based, high-performance product that's perfect for both deep cleaning and routine maintenance. Its thick consistency allows it to cling to the wheel surface, maximizing its cleaning power by staying in contact longer than runnier sprays. The formula is pH-balanced and acid-free, which ensures it's safe on chrome, steel, aluminum, and painted finishes. This makes it ideal for use on a wide range of vehicles, from daily drivers to show cars. One of the standout features is its color-changing technology. When it encounters iron deposits or heavy brake dust, the cleaner turns purple, indicating that it's actively breaking down contaminants. Application is easy. Spray it on dry wheels, let it sit for 2 to 4 minutes, and rinse off. In most cases, no scrubbing is needed, although light agitation may help for heavily soiled areas. Carfidant's cleaner can be used straight from the bottle for heavy-duty jobs or diluted up to 4:1 for regular use, offering excellent value. Whether you're an everyday driver or a detailing pro, this product's fast-acting formula and safe, effective results make it a strong choice. With no harsh odor and no risk of damaging sensitive finishes, Carfidant provides a user-friendly, high-quality solution to wheel care. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.